Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech-focused content. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into the Wombat wallet and exploring its secure usage. You can find links to Wombat wallet and other helpful resources in the description below. Wombat wallet is designed for both cryptocurrency novices and seasoned veterans, providing a user-friendly and secure platform. Its primary focus is the EOS blockchain and its associated tokens, but its capabilities extend much further. As a non-custodial wallet, Wombat puts you firmly in control. You hold your private keys, giving you complete ownership and management of your digital assets. This is a crucial element for security in the cryptocurrency world. One of Wombat wallet's most impressive features is its multi-chain support. While originally focused on EOS and EOS-based tokens, it has broadened its horizons to encompass Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and a growing list of other prominent blockchains. This multi-chain functionality allows you to manage a diverse portfolio of assets, all within a single, convenient wallet. This is particularly beneficial for those invested across various networks. Furthermore, Wombat Wallet seamlessly integrates with decentralized applications, DApps, enabling direct interaction with DeFi platforms and NFTs directly from the wallet interface. Security is paramount, and Wombat Wallet utilizes industry-standard encryption to protect your private keys and transaction data. The wallet is designed with simplicity and user experience in mind, offering a straightforward setup process and a clear, easy-to-navigate interface. Additional security features include biometric authentication and a recovery phrase, allowing you to securely back up your wallet and restore it if necessary. These robust security measures, combined with its non-custodial nature, provide a solid foundation for protecting your funds. Wombat Wallet strives to balance simplicity and power. It empowers users to stake tokens, manage their diverse asset holdings, and participate in the expanding EOS ecosystem, all while maintaining a high level of security. Whether you're just beginning your crypto journey or you're a seasoned investor, Wombat Wallet offers a safe and efficient method for managing your digital assets and interacting with the blockchain. In summary, Wombat Wallet presents a secure and versatile option for managing a variety of digital assets. Its robust features include strong encryption, broad multi-chain support, and an intuitive, user-friendly interface. For a deeper dive, check out the description for more details and direct links to Wombat Wallet.